The weather forced many people in the northern part of the CSRA to stay inside and off the roads. News Channel 6's Chloe Salsameda followed the storm to Wilkes County.
No snow, but the storm brought heavy rain and cold winds to the northern counties of the CSRA. People waking up to cold temperatures and wet streets in Washington. But it wasn't what some expected.
Like I said, I did get up this morning. I looked out the window. I didn't see any snow, just some precipitation.
Instead, heavy rain poured over downtown. High winds knocking over chairs and sending umbrellas flying.
So I was a little disappointed that the snow wasn't here.
Disappointed, but not surprised.
It's here, but it rarely snows here anyway. I can count the number of times that I can actually remember snow in Washington.
Brendan Johnson thankful he couldn't add this weekend storm to that list.
I'm kind of glad it's raining so we don't have to deal with not being at work. I'm not getting a call somebody's stuck in a ditch or something. So.
In Washington, Chloe Salsameda, WJBF, News Channel 6.